Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex cordless vacuum cleaner. Reason number 1 is it's super lightweight. Reason number 2 is it is really powerful. Reason number 3 is it's really easy to empty out all the dirt and debris, but it's also easy to clean the filter. So here's everything that comes in the box. We have these blower attachments, which I'll show you later. You can hook those on the back and you can inflate things. We've got these crevice tools. We've got this little hose that we can attach. It does charge with USB-C. Now it doesn't come with the power adapter. And in order to get the fast charging, you do have to plug it into 5 volts, 3 amps. And you're going to charge it with USB-C right here. You're going to plug it in and the light's going to breathe to let you know that it's charging. Okay, the part here is angled. That's how you're going to put the adapters on. Now, the second thing I liked about it is it's powerful. We turn it, it's simple to use. Turn it on, starts in low, press that button, and it goes to high. Then turn it off. The third reason, easy to clean. So all your dirt and debris are going to go right here. So you'll take it to the trash can, pop this little lock off. Now, when I go up, press this button, everything's going to come out. All the dirt and debris will come out. Close it. Once in a while, you will have to clean the filter. Rotate this to the unlock position. You're going to simply take this, pull that filter out. There is a pre-filter. Now that does have a HEPA filter in there, but rotate the pre-filter off. That's going to catch some of the big dust and material, but this one's going to get really dirty. Take this to the sink. Well, I like to blow them off with a blower, which you can use this as a blower. So put this on the back. Turn the machine on. Now I can blow these all out, and I can also rinse them out. You can get these wet, but you do have to let these dry. I can take this to the sink, get this all nice and wet, rinse this all out, really good, get that seal nice and clean. Take it outside, let it dry in the sun or overnight a couple nights. It does come with an extra HEPA filter. Okay, when I'm done, let's put the pre-filter on. So you're gonna put the pre-filter in and turn it till it clicks. Then you simply just press this in, there's a seal. Press it in until it's nice and flush. Take it back over to the tool, line up the dots with the unlock, rotate it till it clicks. It is really easy to operate. I really like this attachment here too. They click on, so I can set this like in the cup holder, turn it on. Then I can use my little attachment here. Also comes with this attachment here. And we can change out these just slide on and off if I want just like a velvet, or these are a little bit smaller ones. You're simply going to slide it on. It only goes one way. Slide it on. There, we got a nice, we can make those nice lines in the carpet if we need to. To turn it into a blower, you know, you don't necessarily have to take this off, but it increases the airflow. If you take the vacuum cleaner part off, the air is going to come in this way and go out this way. Now you can take your attachments, put them on the back. Now I can inflate different things. And you simply just turn it on. Yeah, this is really nice. You get about 13 minutes on low and 40 minutes on the lower speed. So 13 minutes on high, 40 minutes on low. Now when it's charging, that light will go out after it's fully charged. Let's do some measurements. So right, it's about 12 inches. About 2 1/8 inches wide. You know, the hose here, that does stretch pretty good. Almost 3 feet, I'm sorry. Now this crevice tool is not, you cannot take this off. Everything here is permanently attached. Also comes with a really nice bag. I can fit all the attachments and the vacuum cleaner in this bag. That's a really nice, I love that. So let's pretend this is inside your car. You're going to turn it on high. All right, now let's put the crevice tool on. All right, I got the crevice tool on. Yeah. It's doing a really good job. I can stick that down there and get that really nice and clean. Okay, open the little latch here, press the button. Everything's going to come out. Let's rotate it here. Take the filter off. There, I like the pre-filter. I like that it catches most of the dirt and debris. But the fine dust will go through it. But the big chunks are easy. I can clean this. That way I'm ready to go. So I really do like the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.